Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by creating readme. MD in the repository root, do that now. Once created, add a concise project name and a one-line summary so visitors know purpose immediately. Then include badges or status indicators to show build or test health. This builds trust. After that, add installation and quick start sections to let people run your code quickly. Make sure to explain required versions and basic commands. This reduces support questions and speeds adoption. Next, focus on practical usage. Describe commands, code examples, and configuration options, include sample inputs and the expected output so users can verify they're set up correctly. Once done, document dependencies and supported versions. This prevents environment mismatches. Also add an example subsection with a minimal reproducible case. That helps contributors and debuggers. Make sure to keep code blocks copy-paste friendly and annotate non-obvious steps. Finally, wrap up by adding contributing guidelines, a code of conduct, and a clear license statement so collaborators know rules and rights. Then create a short changelog or release notes section to summarize changes. Once done, include a table of contents and relative links to sections and files to improve navigation. If something goes wrong, check README code blocks for formatting or missing backticks, and compare paths. Often a copy-paste error causes failures. That single check fixes many issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.